Go.
Now I am, yeah.
Okay.
Something's different about it.
Yes, one's faster than the other.
Nice. Frank, you're on camera. Get the hood right here, Frank. Here you go, Frank. Now you do that. There you go. There you go.
Okay, this is a replacement bulb. It's supposed to last a long time. This is going to be the second time I did the same one. All right, you have to come around here on my backside here.
It's a lot cleaner than I thought it would be.
Just hold it there, Lou. Got it?
So what are you doing right now?
Well, I have to get down under this. Turn.
Burnt out.
As bad as I thought it would be.
Hey guys, not every time you put it under charge.
Oh.
Yeah, I see it.
Burns out from the bottom.
See if I can get a good angle on what you're doing.
Okay, once you get it in there, it's got a little handle. Difficult, but that's it.
It's in.
Push and turn to the right. And that should do it.
That's it?
That's it. That's a replacement on a okay. Well, you got it?
Yep.
That's the replacement turn signal bulb on Kia Forte 5.
It's okay. Let's see if it's gonna work though. It's working.